Nice tune there, gentlemen. Yeah, that. I was way off.
98-degree shirt, I love it. So many things I forgot about.
Oh yeah?
Like, we were trying to think of like what we were gonna wear, like graphic t-shirts. And I totally forgot that, you know, like flannel was a thing. You're doing pirates.
We can do pirates. Okay.
But yeah, I forgot like flannel was a thing. I totally forgot about like the whole Clueless attire. Oh my god, there's so many weird shared outfit from Clueless right there, the yellow plaid. I'm not even lying. I had to go down. Like, those are things I forgot about. And I'm mad at myself for forgetting about.
Yeah, I had no idea what to do with my hair. I just couldn't remember the style anymore.
I had something planned for mine.
That's a wall.
And I ran out. I had to work late and I ran out of time.
Yes. It's the smell of pirates. One of the most iconic smells in all of Disney.
I don't know the last time I ever had a walk on
Right?
pirates.
Never? Whatever the last After Dark event was?
Yeah, we did the Star Wars hub. We did do pirates.
Yeah.
So we're in the New Orleans Bayou?
We're in the bayou, back home.
Oh, my butt just got wet.
Oh.
We're staying in water,
Yeah.
and the staying in water going across the back.
We literally just walked onto the ride. There was no wait. It was like, oh, there's a boat waiting for you. Hi, get on. Oh,
Literally.
hello, gator. There's a gator.
I don't even think I see that gator.
But
Yeah, like we go to get like into this what's the word I'm looking for?
I have no idea.
Like the slot.
Oh.
And the boat was there, and we just literally went straight through the water.
Oh, like
no
the queue
stopping
slot?
At the gate,
Yeah.
No nothing, just straight on.
Yeah.
It's a bit creepy for me though.
What's going on, man? Darkness.
Lurking in every clue, waiting to board. Sit closer together and keep your money hands inward. That'd be the best way.
Uh-oh. I got wet. Wait, what? Another drop? Oh, that was poorly timed. Yeah, this is my favorite scene in all of the Pirates ride. Still a little foggy. Yeah, sorry about that, folks. Just a little damp in here.
This is a little
Yours will stay the longest.
You know where it be. Now proceed at your own risk.
But stop.
I don't know what that's for. The guy or the octopus?
You may not survive past this play again. He's coming!
Quit your talking. The gentleman won't go around. Don't you, boys?
They want the redhead. They know they want the redhead.
I still heard we want the redhead.
Yes.
I feel like she's better lit than the last time we were there. Maybe because I have my glasses
Come on now, good guys. What's
I'm not so sure about this path we're taking. Tell you, this town is lit. Oh, terrible. You come for the Disney, you stay for the jokes, folks. How many pirate feet have you seen? Enough. How's it hanging?
It's us what needs your running out, not them blasted lovers. Blasted fucking picking pirate. People build a nice capsized you make up.
This looks very unsafe, guys. Ow.
Basic good things, guys. Don't worry about it.
Alright.
And it's many shiny removal. You really want to do more removing. I humbly accept this magnificent treasure as my reward for the life of the divinity
Get your hair out.
Cute.
Yar.
I could make it into scrunchies for the rest of the night.
Yeah. Some Mardi Gras ears left still.
I love mine.
Can we get a red ornament?
Maybe if I can get a red hat. And is that a red lounge?
That is.
It is red. It's not just pirates. It's red.
Yeah, that's a red lounge fly. And that just means color.
That is awesome.
fun.
That's the first time I've seen that one.
Yeah.
Of course, we haven't ridden pirates in a while, so.
I think that's supposed to be like red symbol. It's like, you know, the skull's making a heart.
No, there's some red socks with the dog.
The key dog. I like the ship socks. Some ships.
My butt's really wet.
Pirate Couture.
I like this tape with the lace back.
It's all fun and games till someone needs an eye patch.
I'm a little concerned about Eat Sleep Yo Ho.
Yo
Repeat.
ho. Yeah.
I mean, I know that, but I'm just saying, I took it to a little bit more of an adult theme there.
Hooked on the pirate's life.
I sailed the high sea. I can't read the rest of it.
I sail the high seas.
Because
Causing mayhem, not cuz, calling me. Wow, we are just a little slow tonight, guys. Sorry.
Hotel phonics work for me.
I'd wear it.
I know you would. I was like, do we need to see if they have your someplace?
Pirates Battleship would be fun.
Not as fun as my favorite movie.
Battleship. She likes Battleship.
Yeah.
The movie.
Super cheese. Super fun.
Oh, phone's.
Oh, I like the parrot. He's cute.
Oh, I hear Hanson.
That's why we need babies?
Sure.
Is that Bebop?
Yeah.
It is Bebop.
Yes, it is. Thank you. All right. Still got some beads in the trees from Monaco.
Fun fact.
Yes, ma'am.
First CD I ever owned. Bebop.
I'm sorry.
One of my sisters gave it to me for like a birthday. I don't know. I was probably 10, 11.
Let's hope.
I love dancing.
You would.
I would.
There are some neon monkeys down there. Think you'll dance with the neon monkeys?
No, they're creepy.
Oh no, that's kind of cute.
Whoa. He just wagged his tail at the camera.
This is a family show, okay? Yeah, that
I can't do it.
ranch dusted toasted corn churro. Yeah,
Just all the. Oh, there's somebody wearing your shirt, but in black.
Oh, yep, there you go.
So 2 for you, 5 for me.
Okay. But no. Ranch corn churro?
Nope.
Negative. I'm good.
Are you gonna do a walk on the mansion? Warm up?
You want to go on Haunted Mansion to warm up?
I'm just really cold.
Okay, let's go on Haunted Mansion. I love. Oh, we actually have to wait in line? What is this world?
And by wait in line, I think have you ever heard the coast we're going in now?
Oh, okay.
Betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching?
Yes.
Or is it your imagination?
Oh my God, would you stop?
And consider this dismaying observation.
Yes.
This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later.
Who are you looking at?
chosen. Any volunteers?
Volunteers tribute.
If you insist on
I
wagging
mean, you get to live in a mansion. Ain't gotta worry about getting fat.
Will I get a closet full of shoes?
I mean, maybe.
It might be worth
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
Whenever you will, give us a hint by ringing the bell.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for you, swinging wake. I'll be expecting you. I'll see you all later.
We have been unavoidably detained by pranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily.
Play us a tune there, gentlemen. Yeah, that. I was way off. Box goes. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, please, somebody give that dog something to eat.
By your side, surrounded in this fire. Hiking ghost.
Oh no! Tall skinny.
They have selected you to fill our quotas.
What we got? Oh, no.
Till you return.
We got top hat
Now
ghosts.
I raise the safety bar, and a ghost
Hurry back.
Come on, we go ride.
Really?
We go ride.